Hello students, in this video we will see how we will calculate the distance of a point from a line. See the concept. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the origin, and this is a line cut at A here and B, and there is a point P, and you have to calculate the distance of this point from this line. Suppose the equation of this line is AX plus B by plus C is equal to 0, and the coordinate of this point A will equal to minus C by A comma 0. See how the coordinates of the point A minus C by A is equal to 0. Here you know the point A coordinate by will be 0. When we will put the value of y 0 here, then x will equal to minus C by A. Similarly, when we will calculate the coordinate of B, that will be equal to 0 comma minus C by B. This is the coordinate of this point, and suppose the coordinate of the point P is x1 and y1. Here you have to calculate the distance from this point to this line. So we will draw a perpendicular. Suppose this perpendicular is FPN. This is the perpendicular. Okay. Now how we will find the length of this perpendicular? To calculate the length of the perpendicular, we have some construction here. Join PB and PA. Then this is a triangle PAB. So first of all, we will calculate the area of the triangle PAB. As previous class, you know, area of the triangle with the help of coordinates of the vertices is 1 by 2 in bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, this is coordinate of the point P is x1 y1, and coordinate of the point A is x2 y2, and the coordinate of point B is considered as x3 and y3. So we will put the value here 1 by 2 x1 is x1, y2 is 0, minus by 3 is minus c by v. By this sign, this equal to plus c by b plus x2 is minus c by a by 3 is minus c by b, y1 is y1 plus x3 is 0, y1 is y1 and y2 is 0. So you will get 1/2 c by b x1 plus c square by ab plus c y a y1. Okay. Now multiply all the internal terms y1 y2, then you will have cx1 upon 2b plus c square upon 2ab plus c by 1 upon 2a. So finally, area of the triangle PAB will equal to C. Very important technique here. Here we will take common C upon 2AB from these three terms. When we will take common C from here, then we will have x1 and 2b you have taken 1 upon 2b you have taken common, but a, so you have to put here a. Similarly here you will have c only plus here b by 1. This is the area of triangle PAB. Okay. Now see, this is the area of the triangle PAB. Now we can calculate area of the triangle by the another way, that is area of triangle PAB equal to half AB into PN. Okay, that is half AB. With the help of distance formula, we can calculate the distance between A and B, that is under root minus C by A minus 0 whole square plus 0 plus C by B whole square, that is 1/2 under root C square upon A square plus C square upon B square. See here 1/2, this is the under root, take LCM A square B square. Then here you will have B square C square and here A square C square. Again in very next step, in numerator you may take common C square, then you will have B square plus A square upon A square B square a square upon b square. See the very next step, that is 1 by 2. The square root of c square is c, so you may write down here c. Here you will have under root a square plus b square, and the square root of a square b square is only ab. Right? This is the distance of AB. So, you may write down this relation like this. That is C under root a square plus b square upon AB into Pn. Now we can equate these two relations. We can equate these two relations, as we know that area of the triangle already we have calculated, that is ax1 plus b by 1 plus c into c upon 2ab. This is also 2 here, will equal to this area c upon under root a square plus b square upon 2ab into Pn. Pn is the distance. Remember these things. So Pn will equal to ax1 plus b by 1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. This term will be cancelled out by this and this also this. So Pn will equal to ax1 plus b by 1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. And my dear, you must remember the value of Pn never will be in negative, so put here this sign. This is the formula. With the help of this, you may calculate the distance of a point from the given line.